YouTube? What's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. If you're brand new to my channel, hit the subscribe button as well as bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the top picks in cryptocurrency. And guys, nothing has changed. Nothing has changed. We'll talk a little bit about Bitcoin because man, are we seeing some red in the market today? And if you guys did not watch yesterday's live, then you might be a little bit surprised by this pullback. But guys, we talked about this happening just yesterday. Talked about the probability of us seeing some more sell-off, of us creating this new level of lows, right? You saw here we created this bear flag and then we turned it sideways and broke down, right? Same thing here, bear flag, sideways, break down. And we talked about the fact that this was a bear flag just yesterday and that I did think that this thing would have some more sell-off. And as you guys could see, everybody that was just bullish yesterday in this Bitcoin comment section is now bearish because they know that this trend has officially broken down. No, it's already officially had broken down. This thing had broken down right here, right where it created this shoulder head shoulder, and then it dropped down. It had a fake out, and then again going back down. So this is kind of what I was expecting. And honestly, again, I still am going to say that I expect us to have another retest of 61, possibly lower. But again, that's just my prediction. It's just a prediction. It's not financial advice. Did talk about the fact that this Bitcoin sell-off today, if Bitcoin did decide to sell off, would create some blood in the markets. As you guys can see, I was also right again. But not that much blood actually in on these blue chip coins. You guys could see nothing down really too significantly. So the market's still having some kind of confidence in Bitcoin. As you guys could see, Bitcoin Fear Greed Index coming in at 75, and the market cap for cryptocurrency still sitting at $2.5 trillion. So again, people are still buying coins, but I mean this is pretty much how it feels it to be in a correction. The gains are few and far between. There's not a lot of things that are pumping. As you can see, I told you guys that Dex Tools would pretty much uh, be a bloodbath. Like Dex Tools hot pairs was going to be pretty bad, and I'm sure that if we look across any type of chain, like let's check Solana chain, I don't expect things to be pumping on here. Yeah, like you see, like the best thing that's pumping is this. It's up like 60%. Everything else down super significantly. This one down 72%, 55%, 38%. And that's what I told you guys will happen if you're trading in these small market caps during times of Bitcoin volatility. Sometimes you get your hand stuck in the cookie jar, and that's exactly what we talked about on yesterday's live, guys. Did we not just talk about that just yesterday? I swear. But interesting. Okay, it seems like things on base may be performing a little bit better than things that are performing on Solana, which is interesting actually to see these coins on base. Will base be a platform that blows up? Is this going to be an ecosystem that really blows up? Those of you guys don't know, this is Coinbase ecosystem base. So and then let's see what's going on Ethereum. Bloodbath, right? This is up. I mean, these two are up. This is not the real Brett contract. This is a fork of Brett that was built on Ethereum, but it's up 85%. I'm not getting into that one, but again, it's up 85% today. I think it's at like 13 million market cap. Checked it a little while ago, so but yeah, let me know what you guys are buying right now. Are you guys buying right now? Also, what's your prediction for Bitcoin? How low can Bitcoin go, right? I talked about the fact that personally, I think that Bitcoin needs one more retest of 61 before it decides if it wants to start cranking back up or if it wants to break back down. But in my opinion, guys, we did talk about this shoulder, head, shoulder. And I'm the only one on YouTube that I've seen talking about it right here too on this 1 year chart, shoulder, head, shoulder. Guys, it's a bearish pattern, right? This could still crack up though. Like let's say that this is a bull flag, right here. This is a flagpole, and this is our bull flag. That's kind of, I guess, what some people are still bullish for. But again, guys, shoulder, head, shoulder, sell off. We've seen it here, right here, shoulder, head, shoulder. This had a sell off. I do think that we'll probably have a sell off, being as our halvings in like a week. So I think that there will be a sell-off. I think that it will cause a lot of panic selling, and I think that we will have a decent sized correction. Again, we talked about the fact that when the market moves on a Monday, that it's usually a fake out. We called the fake out on Monday, actually, Our market did move on Monday. This high right here was on Monday, and so we had a pullback, right? And that's kind of what I talk about happens on a Monday. And again, that's just things that I've noticed from literally staring at these charts every single day for like a decade. Is that on Mondays we tend to have fake outs. On Thursday we tend to have real price action. And look where we're at today, boys. Right? We're at a Wednesday. Oh my gosh. Somebody has to be sitting there at their computer like, dang, like this fool. How does he know that? Guys, this is something that I've learned from staring at these charts, and it's not always right, but it tends to be right. Right. Now, Monday is a day of fake outs, and Thursday is a day of breakouts, whether that be to the upside or to the downside. Thursday is a day of decision making, and then we usually have some kind of price action into the weekend. Sunday usually looks like either the top or it looks like the bottom, right? So that's just really kind of what I've noticed. Let me know any coincidences or things that you've noticed in cryptocurrency as far as good days to accumulate and things like that. Let me know because I'm always looking for patterns, right? That's all this is, guys. That's all we really do as traders. We look for patterns, right? This shoulder head shoulder that's playing out, shoulder head shoulder, I'm paying attention to is what played out right here, shoulder head shoulder, right? It's history. So if you guys notice anything that happens with Bitcoin, like the rule of Mondays that I have or the rule of Thursdays that I have, let me know because I'm interested in keeping tabs on um, patterns and stuff like that. I love that kind of stuff. So again, let me know. As you guys can see, the having Bitcoin having 8 days, 23 hours, 47 minutes. So, in my opinion, we're gonna leak a little bit more into this having. But I do think that May will be a green month for us. I think that April will be a red month for us. March was, of course, one of our best months in Bitcoin. Bitcoin was up 50% at its all time high, a little bit over 50. So, this correction is very necessary and it very much makes sense considering that the halving's in 8 days. But again, what if the price just goes down after the halving and just keeps going down? Like, hey, anything can happen in Bitcoin. What if I personally think that after the halving, the price is going to skyrocket. That's just my personal opinion. That's just based off of history. That's just based off of kind of what has happened in the past. But let me know what you guys think. Also, I'm going to pick 10 people out of this video to come trade with me in my private Telegram. All you guys got to do is share this video on Twitter at JTalksCrypto. I'm going to see it and then I'll invite you to join my Telegram. If you don't have Twitter, though, all you got to do is add me on Instagram at JTalksCrypto and just DM me and let me know you want to join the group. I'm going to pick 10 people again out of this video. If you guys didn't make the cutoff, you got to catch the next video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.